Hi, Ben Fry here at the Home Fried Diner, and it's my favorite time of year, October, where all manner of creatures stop by for a bite. And for this month's movie, we have one of the masters of the horror film genre, Bela Lugosi in The Devil Bat. Bela plays a scientist so angry at his employer that he breeds giant bats conditioned to kill people wearing a special aftershave lotion. Not quite the Axe effect, but there are some electrifying moments. So you don't want to miss The Devil Bat this week on Home Fried Movies, only on UALR University Television. Now, rub some of this aftershave lotion on the tender part of your neck. Oh, you don't have a tender part of your neck. Oh, the bat!